Constructional, machinery, names, uses. Civil Online, official. In this video, we will discuss about constructional machinery and their uses. 11. Feller buncher. A feller buncher is a valuable asset in logging and land clearing operations. A feller buncher consists of a cab on tracks or wheels with an attached boom. So far, this may sound like an excavator or other similar pieces of equipment. 12. Forklift. Forklifts are especially common in warehouses, but you may also see them on a construction site since they help with all sorts of material handling. A forklift looks like a small car with a mast, lift cylinder, backrest, and carriage at the front, along with forks that extend forward from the bottom. 13. Forwarder. Like a feller buncher, a forwarder is a helpful piece of forestry equipment. Whereas a feller buncher cuts down trees and deposits them into a pile, a forwarder carries logs to a loading site. This piece of equipment is essentially an off-road truck, typically with 8 wheels and a mechanism for carrying logs holding them just above the ground so they don't drag. 14. Front end, wheel loader. Wheel loaders are one of the most multi-purpose types of construction equipment available. As the name suggests, these loaders use wheels to get around a job site. The default attachment is a bucket that can scoop up, move, and unload materials. You can also use other attachments, such as augers, backhoes, and rippers to help with a variety of tasks. Wheel loaders come in a range of sizes from compact to large, so you can choose the model and attachments that are best suited to your work. 15. Grader. Also called a motor grader, grader is an important piece of equipment for road building. It includes 3 axles, 2 at the back and 1 in front, with a metal plate running between the axles. It usually has 6 wheels to accommodate the long frame. The metal plate grades the dirt or gravel beneath as the operator drives the machine over an area. 16. Harvester. A harvester is a piece of forestry equipment used to harvest logs. This machine has a heavy cab and an attached arm that operators use to clear cut areas and grab logs. A special attachment at the end of the arm helps to cut, process, and debark trees. Harvester attachments are made to adapt to different sizes of trees for maximum versatility. 17. Knuckle boom loader. A knuckle boom loader is another device used for logging. Once a forwarder or skidder has deposited logs at a loading site, a knuckle boom loader takes over to load the cut and stripped logs onto a truck so they can go to their final destination. A knuckle boom loader is a swing machine with a crane head that is specially designed to pick up logs and efficiently load them onto a truck. The cab of a knuckle boom loader can be mounted on a trailer, or it can run on wheels or tracks. 19. Manlift. The term manlift can be used to label the whole category of aerial lifts, which includes boom lifts, scissor lifts, and more. However, according to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA), a manlift refers to a device with a power-driven belt that only moves in one direction and is intended to transport workers from floor to floor. These are also called vertical personnel lifts since they move up and down, side to side. They are typically designed to transport one worker at a time. 19. Mixer. In construction, a mixer is a truck equipped with a large drum that mixes concrete. All the operator has to do is a dry cement, aggregate, and water, and let the drum rotate to mix the materials and form wet concrete. The drum has a spiral blade on the inside to assist with mixing. Some trucks are dedicated concrete mixers, but you can also find mixer attachments or stationary mixers to use on a job site when you need to pour concrete. 20. Mobile crane. A mobile crane is an extremely useful piece of equipment for lifting and moving objects. As the mobile part of the name suggests, these cranes are equipped with wheels or tracks, so you can drive them around a job site, especially if they're an all-terrain model. Most cranes use hydraulics to move the hoist mechanism, which has a hook at the end to hold objects. Some mobile cranes are able to rotate 360 degrees, making it even easier to navigate tight spaces. Continue. Part 3.